I go to the shop. I go to the shop.
I look at the prices. I look at the prices.
The prices are high. The prices are high.
I find a good deal. I find a good deal.
I try on the clothes. I try on the clothes. I try on the clothes.
The jacket fits well. The jacket fits well.
Can I have a discount? Can I have a discount?
I choose a blue shirt. I choose a blue shirt.
I go to the cashier. I go to the cashier.
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
I pay by card. I pay by card.
I receive my change. I receive my change.
My wallet is empty. My wallet is empty.
I save my money. I save my money.
I open a bank account. I open a bank account. I open a bank account.
I check my balance. I check my balance.
I withdraw some cash. I withdraw some cash.
I transfer money online. I transfer money online.
The sale is on today. The sale is on today.
I buy 2 for 1. What? I buy 2 for 1.
Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt?
I return the item. I return the item.
My credit card is ready. My credit card is ready.
I count my coins. I count my coins.
I spend too much money. I spend too much money.
I make a budget. I make a budget.
I shop online. I shop online.
The package arrives. The package arrives.
I am happy with my purchase. I am happy with my purchase.
Smart shopping saves money. Smart shopping saves money.